What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Zo White. You already know it ain't right if it ain't Zo White, baby. And I'm here to give you guys a mukbang only cause I'm hungry right now on this beautiful Monday. I'm about to get in the whip, head to find somewhere to eat. I don't know where I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna do a mukbang video for y'all for my channel, for all my subscribers. Let's get it. Alright, we out. I hope y'all out there getting to that money, not leaving no money on the table. Y'all already know how I be coming on my... Hold up, we're a little shaky. Y'all already know how I be coming on my channel, man. I be giving y'all the tips, the tools, and the tricks to make that money. Turning y'all into wolves, man. Y'all gotta become wolves. Don't leave no money on the table. Go get that money. Make sure y'all follow my playlist called The Money Team so y'all can join the money team. Every single video is a different method to make money. Every single video is a different way. A lot of YouTubers be repeating themselves just to have content, but I'm giving you guys new ways to make money each and every video. I ain't wasting no time. I ain't wasting y'all's time. I ain't wasting no videos. So go check that playlist out. But today, it's not about making money. It is about a mukbang. Today is about eating. I am hungry before I head to work, before I go make some money, before I go get the clock in and get that bread. We gotta eat. We gotta stay energized. We gotta do this. The sun is shining bright. Really bright on this beautiful day. You guys, we are here at Sonic. We made it. We made it here safely. Thank you, Jesus. We got the Sonic menu over here to the left. You heard what I'm saying? I'm over here. I'm pulled up. I see these ice cream sandwiches looking real good right now. What do I want to get though? I want something. Alright, here we go.
Thank you for choosing Sonic. How may I help you?
Yes. Can I have the crispy, well, hold on first.
Thank you for choosing Sonic. How may I help you?
Yes, can I have the classic crispy chicken sandwich, just the sandwich?
I'm sorry?
Can I have the,
Just the crispy chicken sandwich or the Hawaiian sandwich?
just the crispy chicken sandwich?
Mayo, lettuce, and tomato, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Anything else?
Can I get, mozzarella sticks?
Marinara ranch.
Honey mustard sauce with that? Give me a second. Matter of fact, instead of the classic crispy chicken sandwich, can I just have the 3 crispy tenders?
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is 803. Go ahead, select your payment option. We'll have that right now.
Alright, I'm about to go ahead and pay.
How may I help you today?
Yes, can I add a small cream slush to that order?
Okay, what flavor?
Watermelon, please.
Get a small watermelon cream slush. This is $16.
Okay, thank you. Alright, y'all, so the mukbang is back in full effect. I ordered a watermelon cream slush. She came out, brought the food out, gave me what I ordered, gave me the small watermelon cream slush, but gave me the extra large watermelon regular slush and told me that I didn't have to pay for neither one of them. She said I got them both for free. So I only paid for my food and the drinks was free. That's pretty dope. So I got the chicken tenders with the honey mustard sauce. You can't go wrong like that. You know what I mean? This is marinara. I said honey mustard. Oh, here we go. I don't do the marinara with the mozzarella. I do the honey mustard with the tenders and the steak. Now these is good. They're hot, fresh, crunchy, and you looking good. I got the mozz. Everybody low. If you're gonna get mozz, you get them from Sonic. Sonic got the best mozz. They gotta stop playing. Let's see what this cream slush hit right. Let's see what it's hitting for. That's good. You know what I mean? Make sure that you download the Sonic app too. Because they got all type of discounts, coupons, promos. Know what I mean? You get your eat on like the rest of us. Don't be scared, go ahead and pull on in here. They hesitant to put in the Sonic stalls and they go ahead and pull on in here. Look at that grub on. I'm tearing these tenders up. You know what I'm saying? They got the ice cream cookie sandwiches. Just $1.99 each. See? Last time I came here, I got the number 5, the bacon cheeseburger toaster. Just to switch it up, because I don't even usually do it like that. When I see so many options, they all look so good. I get indecisive. I don't be knowing what to do. I be wishing I could just try it all. Them bonus wings is looking good too though. But I don't really do the bonus. I like the classic. Y'all like classic or bonus? Let me know what y'all like. Classic or boneless. When it comes to your wing preference and the structure, you going with the classic or you going with the boneless? What are you doing? That was a good one. You know what I mean? So if we ain't had no Sonic mozzarella sticks, I highly recommend them. And tell them Zoe White sent you. Asked for was the honey mustard sauce. Yo, they got Red Bull slushies. Go to Sonic. Ask for an order of mozzarella sticks, honey mustard sauce with a Red Bull slushie. Down to my last mite. You know, Sonic got a happy hour too. That was delicious. I'm loving it. All right, now. Let's see what we got with the cream slush. Open the other one for the regular. Let's get this thumbnail on. Hey, yeah. You see me hustle hard. You took the shades off and all that. We got bro in the car across the street trying to talk to Shorty over here. I got bro over here across the street trying to holler at the girl over here in the skates. Big ass slush, boy. Oh shit. Let's give you brain juice. Like we said, this has been a Sonic Mukbang. Thank you all for chowing this down with me. It was delicioso. I'm gonna keep alternating between this cream slush and this regular slush, watermelon flavor. Shout out to Watermelon Gang. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other videos. Follow me on Instagram at IamZoWhite. Make sure you get that Sonic. Peace.